Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new power bank, and the company is Addtop. So the brand name Addtop Tech, and the capacity of this power bank is like 26,800 milliampere. It's a portable power bank and it's made in China, as you can see here, and it's like UK Europe um, certified, I can say. Yeah, so let's unbox. So at the very beginning, as usual, this is the user manual. We all know, so in every unboxing there would be some documentation. So this is the user manual. It say how you can charge your phone and other devices. So that's the thing, and this is the main battery. Yes, so here is the main power bank. Yeah, and I think it's heavy. Yeah, so since it's almost 27,000 milliampere, so yeah, it should be heavy and I can feel it. And as you can see here is one small display. So when you can charge your devices, then it shows that how much percentage the charging is ongoing. So this is the display for it, and here is 4 port in total. So we can see here to the regular USB, number 3 the blue one, and type C also. And in the back side we can see here it's written the brand name Addtop power bank and the other technical ratings like the capacity and the input output voltage, current flow, everything. And it's a very important thing is it's CE certified, so no worry to charge mobile phones. And the last but not the least, this is the USB cable to charge. So that's the thing. So see you in a next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.